Hey friends, if you wish to print more than 15 files in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the solution because at times you don't get this option at the first place. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open registry editor. Now copy paste this path there. Okay, or I'll just guide you through the path anyway. It is HKey current user, software, Microsoft Windows current version and Explorer. In the right pane, there must be a key, DO 32-bit entry, or we can always create it. Multiple invoke prompt minimum. So let's check for it. We don't find it here. So right click in the open space, new DO 32-bit value, and then double click on it, change the value to 15, hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.